I got this box of goodies from Plaid, so I'll be unboxing as well as using one of these plastic stencils that I received. I got a stencil brush and some Christmas stencils. I'm opening the pack and these are the stencils. All beautiful stencils to use for Christmas. And these are the paints that I received as well. And you can say that these colors are Christmas colors. If you are interested in getting this stencil set, my affiliate link to Plaid's website is in the description box below. Use code Christine124 for 15% off your purchase. So I'm going to be testing out my design on this tag that I picked up from Dollar General. I don't want to remove that hello sign at the top, so I'm just going to take a piece of masking tape and tape that over. And I'm going to remove the paper that's on here. I tried removing it dry, but then that wasn't working, so I decided to spritz it down with some water and put a piece of napkin over that, set it aside to dry, and this is what it looks like after I removed the paper. Painted it with 2 coats of the Folk Art Wicker White, and I'm taking this stencil, the Christmas tree. Now it was a little too large to fit there because I had that little piece, so I covered the star. I won't be using the star on the stencil. Next I took my sponge and I'm just rubbing on some Mod Podge on the stencil just to prevent any bleeding. And to keep it down on the stencil because it was a little lifted, I just used a piece of masking tape, place that underneath and tape that down. Now I'm starting with jungle green and the stencil brush and just stenciling on the green. And then when that was done, I took a little of the espresso with a small paintbrush and painted in the trunk of the tree. And then removed the stencil, dried that, and this is what it looks like. Love it. Now I took some antique wax and another stencil brush, and I'm just going around the edge of the tag to distress that. And now that's done and dried properly, I'm just applying some Mod Podge. And I had this laser cut star I painted up with some of the red paint. And now it's time to embellish. This greenery I took from a pick that I got from Walmart. I just cut 2 small pieces off. This ribbon I got from Dollar General. And I'm just making a little awareness bow, just scrunch that in the middle, tied it with a piece of jute, dovetail the end and cut that off. Then glued on my little pieces of greenery, glued on the bow on top of that. Had these little berries, I just snipped a little piece off, glued that in the center. Then glued on the star. And this is almost done, my friends. I peeled off the covering from the hello sign. It still needed a little bit more embellishment. I had some little pine cones. I glued one of that under the bow. And I thought that this needed a little bit more pizzazz. So I took the paint tip, placed that on my red paint, and then just covered those green lights. This is what it looks like, my friend. I love my little Christmas tree, and that is using the stencil that I received from Plaid. Now this is a bonus. I got this from the Dollar General. Painted it with 2 coats of the Folk Art Wicker White. And here I got this pack of rub-on transfers from Amazon. Love these. Love the little cardinals and the little poinsettias, and I'm just going through to see which one I want to use on here. I selected a nice bunch of poinsettia, and I'm going to peel that off, place it in the center. Now the back is very sticky, so you have to make sure that you don't put down the sticky part on your surface because it may peel that up. And you just rub that on and peel this off. Now this will be linked down in my description box below. If you are interested, you can grab this from my Amazon store. And how about that red on that white background? Love it. Now to bring this to life a little bit more, I took the black ink pad and just distress the edge of the board so that that section can just pop a little bit more. And for further embellishment, I took a piece of black and white gingham and glued that at the bottom of my sign. Like I mentioned, this is quick and easy. Now you can go further with this if you want to. Of course, you can choose another of the transfer. You can put more than one. The options are endless. Now here we are for the final reveal. Here is our little Christmas tree again, using the plaid stencil and our little poinsettia tabletop decor. Love it. And if this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy content like this, I want to thank Plaid again for sending me this box of goodies just to test out the stencils. I may use a few more before the season end, but be sure to stick around. I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I.